The next part in our soils lab we're going to do is to determine the pH and the nutrients. Just a reminder, the pH, or potential hydrogen, is a measure of how acidic or basic things are. And we're going to give it a number from 0 to 14, 0 being very acidic and 14 being very basic. A pH of 7 is neutral, less than 7 is acidic, and then a pH of 3. Like vinegar with a pH of 3.5, and more than 7 is going to be basic. When soil pH is basic, it is usually called alkaline. So alkaline and basic are synonymous, and on the sheet that you have at the lab stations, I do believe it calls it alkaline instead of basic. So you're going to use the water from the top of your jar, and instead of filling the test bag to line C, you're going to fill the little container that's there to the 4th line. You're going to add one of the pH range test tabs, or the pH pills, and I believe these are the green ones, and you're going to dump that into the test tube, and then you're going to shake until the whole thing dissolves. So my guess would be about a minute. And then you're going to compare the color of the soil solution to the color chart poster, which is stationed at the lab tables. Please watch this video to determine the pH. Excellent. So here's how we're going to test the pH for our soil. You're going to use the test tube with the green cap, and you're going to take your soil. On top of your soil there should be some water, and you're going to fill the test tube with the green cap to the 4th line. You can see the little lines on the side of here. There's one more. So next, you're going to take your green capsule and you're going to carefully open it and pour the powder from the green capsule into your tube. To open the green capsule, grab it by, oh, am I recording? Yeah. To open the green capsule, take the top and the bottom and twist apart, and then carefully pour the powder into the tube. Cap the tube and shake thoroughly. Shake it up, baby, now. So you need to shake for about a minute. You're going to let your soil sit for approximately 1 minute. When you're done, you're going to use the pH sheet to compare the color of your soil and determine the pH. To dispose of your pH water, dump it in the drain and rinse. You are then going to fill out your pH into the worksheet. It says the pH of your sample, and I believe on that worksheet it gives you a range. So you'll fill out your range in here. When you're done using your pH test tube, please hand it off to another classmate so that they can do their pH. We do need to share supplies today. Thanks. The next video will be about how to determine the nutrients in your soil.